Alright, right now we're here. Guys podcast. First take one, 1, 2. My name is D'Angelo and
My name is Zidano,
Zidane there we're there right now.
and we will be discussing our experience during COVID when it comes to school and how stressful it is and annoying it is with online classes.
Yeah man, it's annoying man. Me myself, me in college right now and it's very annoying.
And
Right.
I'm in upper 6, 13th grade in Jamaica,
Yeah, Jamaica over there. Yeah,
pre-college technically.
yeah man. Yeah, make people in pint out man.
Yeah, man, I have to know the steps, man.
Yeah man, well for me, if you're a college man, it's kind of stressful for you because the learning experience is not fun. It's not pleasing to the mind because you're behind a laptop or a phone every day. You understand? And with that being said, no, you have a whole lot of distractions. You depend your laptop and you get a text message by your phone and it's the point and say, Cathy, I say, oh wait, baby, there, babes. You want to look for your phone and shit. Yeah, son. See me I say, I like my dad. Do that.
Me know about the catty part, but so easily distracted when it comes to school and like something else grab your attention anytime in the online classes. And sometimes teacher can't run him because the class is boring as fuck.
Yeah, see me I tell
You see me?
Yeah.
And you just grasp, you just want to focus on something else. Because now, like, my first report never good. When it comes to online school. And right now, I try to wrap up things and try to improve my grades them.
Fully.
Because, I tell you, man, at first because it's a new and different experience. I don't know for some reason, probably because I'm a cruff or because it take longer for me to adapt to it. But it is what it is, man. You have to just move on.
We don't know about you, but from start online school, I feel fully done. That's what them call it nowadays, fully done.
Yeah, man.
But yeah, distracting, learn well. You understand? Say you have a practical class like maths, right? And you're not a maths person, you're an English person, a words person, but you're not so well with maths. How online school will help you? You can eventually ask somebody for help. You understand? So I just free money that for the professor them or teacher them, for whichever institution you're at.
Yeah, and that alone, some of them teacher can't teach online. You know that too. Some of them.
No.
Some of them teacher like for example, one of them teacher they know they log on to class, and she did their talk, with a mic muted 30 minutes,
Yeah.
And we don't know what she had talk, but she says she had talk to the class for 30 minutes and her mic muted. So everybody in the class for 30 minutes and
So what she say? Oh, hold on. So she did unmute it after a while or only tell her service?
she unmuted after a while, but half her class gone.
So how she realize or only realize say? Oh, she just in the class and
Just in
the
her class and that's nothing.
So who are you?
No,
Or somebody just come out and say, oh miss.
she figure it out herself.
Ras.
Yeah,
It's nonsense.
a free time, everybody else like it,
Yeah, really, free time, free thing. But it's not a good thing because I waste money on that.
Yeah.
That's what I say. So with that being said now, so word of the day is
Calamity.
calamity, right? And calamity is a disastrous event or a series of events which synonyms would include the catastrophe, tragedy, and so on. Understand? So, calamity, an event causing great and often sudden damage or distress, a disaster, which in full is online schooling.
And my life.
And
When I get to that, we have to make.
and with life and all them so yes, I see. But this is some earlier with the Cathy had texted during class and what about time Cathy text me during class
I mean, I'm a woman, so I wouldn't know.
or you're probably just in the mood during you're not got this you're probably just in the aroused mood during online school and you're not really focused. I always think about that. compared to when you're in a schooling setting with a bag of people. You're not really miss that so much. And you have people to talk to.
Yeah.
So, and like say in a room by yourself, you're mad. You basically have put yourself mad. Right, so.
But some schools, me say some schools they were shut down because case them arise. Yeah, 100 COVID a day now. Yeah man, enough school shut down because of it.
Jedi, you know that?
I hear.
And some school like KC go and go open up. Tell them say yo me nah go. Alright.
Well, lucky you. So me have to. I'm not like online school. I'm just feel.
I don't like it
Not
either.
my thing.
It gives the kids them opportunity to be gruff.
Yeah, that's that.
It enables us to be gruff online schooling.
But online school.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Not encouraging.
Yeah, we know that we were gonna reach this point eventually. We just never ready yet. You see me?
That's why I'm. Yeah, similar like. I'm in a sense that.
But as we say, what I say, when once this all over, they might go everybody that was in school have to get held back. Everybody in our work to get held back at least a year.
No, them alone, man. We done.
I see so we see one something.
But man, because there's going to be a gap in the education. Somebody are gonna be there's like everybody are gonna be at least a year done. Every single body.
Yeah.
At least a year done.
Depends on what seriously the cross and every time.
Me have the notes, man. Me study for my exam them. Everybody if can do it, them lucky.
Oh,
Me not spend no more year.
Oh, by the way, guys, that was Dread speaking, aka Kemark.
Natty Dread.
Not the Dread, you know.
Crazy.
And the very deep voice one was Jaim. And that's aka Crazy Shot. Back away, I said, what's wrong with you?
No way man, them a run from the big head boy, she marry be and we
Oh.
not say nothing.
Foolishness.
Yeah.
What kind of foolishness?
Foolishness with schooling during COVID, man. I seen some say one meme or a funny video with Dale Elliott Jr. Whatever name him say this generation of people, yeah, the new one called Dale Elliott Jr. him make a meme about this generation of children. Them say them usually would have a name like baby boomers or the millennials or so on.
Zoomers.
Yeah, baby boomers.
Zoomers. Yeah, the Zoomers are Gen Zers, I think.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but him a say them what the new one them the new one name. What the new one? Him say the new one them would have name him say again. Him say something about. Him say him would have call them the don't spit in them or something like that. He say. Is it
Nope. I don't know what you're talking about.
the Dale Jr. man? Funny comedian guy, man. He come in a Sprinter movie.
You same boat?
Yeah,
Sprinter movie?
Yeah, the movie. Them come
Well,
in,
interesting.
the,
You know what
the
movie?
protagonist for that.
Me I can watch a movie but I never watched it.
Yeah.
Honestly, it never looked too interesting to me, but I can never watch.
No, I saw it and I wanted to watch it, but at the time I had other stuff to watch. For example, like we didn't focus on shows like Teen Wolf at the time. You see me? So me just like we can't really binge Teen Wolf. I mean, never feel for watch it.
Honestly, Teen Wolf
Because
kind of loses with Steam from around the 6th season.
yep,
Teen Wolf.
yeah.
No, I never really watched Teen Wolf. I really Twilight was
It's
my
like a chick flick that when I get hilarious.
Chick flick?
Yeah. You get to that.
What, Twilight?
No,
Oh, so, Teen Wolf.
Teen Wolf done
Teen Wolf.
chick flicks, man. There's a lot of funny girls, man. Love it. Have a guy them up shirtless, muscle, and stuff there.
Just like Twilight.
Yep, just like Twilight.
With my boy, we come from Shop Boy, I love a girl.
Yeah. Oh, Jake.
Jake,
Yeah,
yeah.
it's not in the action, but yeah.
Actual name. I don't really remember him actual name, but a Jake them call him, not Twilight.
Jake, yeah.
Yeah, man. And my girl, I better love him off, but she love off. What's name again? Edward Moore.
Yep.
Edward. Boy, that killer.
And I see him Wolf brother they never did with that daughter in the end.
Yeah, man, that's true. Thing that Tell me that,
My boy.
you find out that the other day too, yeah. Shemar them tell me that.
Yeah, we did.
Which Shemar is supposed to be in his podcast, but I don't know where he is. I think he's fumbling with his.
Shamar is over there playing with himself.
Wow.
But that's another story for a different day.
That's sort of very different, yeah. You remember when I tell me about Twilight? And Jake did it. Jake, you could do with Bella Data.
I don't remember none of them name.
You know what? You know, to be honest.
You're supposed to talk, yeah, big man.
No, I never know me get a pint out of
I
Christmas.
said Shemar, and you tell me the fact, big man.
I'm sorry, I never did that part.
You know, to be kind of honest, I don't want to go up on a topic because we have a argument about it, so.
We are.
The whole play thing, like, so.
So
Yeah,
what?
the whole thing about the book being some weird fantasy for the right, for the author, but check our own, like, or his own views
Beard. What else beard?
of sexual interest, you know? Like, what if a guy or whatever.
Oh, yeah.
No, that's something I kind of assess by myself.
Yeah. But yeah, big man, take a seat now.
Cheers.
People are here.
It's not what I see, it's a supernatural romance. It's low-key
Sex,
teen.
with no homo sexy dudes.
I see that somewhat romance, but at the same time teach you a lot about supernatural.
It's like in my
It's like
opinion.
every other supernatural show.
I view Edward as this typical, stoic, impressive body,
The wolf brother.
No, what? Edward. She said Edward, yeah. It's vampire, Edward.
Man, I look like I'm a freak, you know.
Yeah.
Mala looking
You
nigga.
see, because the archetype, women really fantasize about, this masculine, mysterious male figure that that's all by himself,
Mhm.
There's a lot of interest about him.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That is the whole aura about it, the mystery. Yeah. So.
And that's something I see a lot of women are.
Yeah, the woman are drawn to mystery towards the guy. They want to know.
Back in the days, but nowadays, man, the money
No.
are anything.
Yeah, money or anything, but to me, what me really think females are more driven by
On pure sexual basis, man.
not really
Not really
that, really
sexual.
that, but I'm mostly social media hinder liking.
Yeah.
You understand? Everybody want like the hype. They
Yeah.
want the guy with look prettier,
Best.
the most handsome.
Oh, you mean the,
Cause they may have a view. You see a like a celebrity,
oh,
and then project
No,
that
else.
celebrity type look
Yeah.
on a regular male who live in the neighborhood. You understand? And have it in mind, it's better than the neighborhood don't look so bad.
Nope.
You understand? But just because social media
So,
give them a view of a guy who them like over social media, they
They-
want that in a reality,
more
and they really and truly can't
more
get it.
present the Cupid statistics, so that is actually true.
Cupid,
Yeah.
that yeah.
Cupid the real. Those are statistics. More Cupid statistics.
So that,
Yeah, yeah.
It's about female view males and how attractive they are to females.
Who? You have to talk louder, big man.
The saying that it's basically statistics to show how male view females and how female view males on pure attractiveness basis, like you say. You have a lot more females that are attractive to males in the male view, male eye, and there are a lot less males attracted to females. Then basically the opposite of each other. But it's bad, it's really bad.
So basically I
Yeah.
say women are attracted to men more than
No,
men are attracted
less,
to women.
less.
Or less?
Yeah, less. It's like women find they at least 2% attractive. 2%.
Of male attractive.
Yes.
Yes, I understand that
Yeah.
because
So what the 98? What 98 there?
oh no, the thing in the 98 is that I've seen it even on a couple YouTube videos about this woman and say about men should not be the cute one in the relationship. Is
Why?
it? Yeah?
Why?
I don't know. I don't know why.
Men should not be.
Should not be the cute one.
But as a man, me want my woman to be better than me.
Me too. But not a problem with it.
So,
But I guess the woman standard of things like a woman wanna fuck a Chris Brown. You see me?
oh,
I
for
woman
example,
wanna
This is the amount of message sent by men. The blue lines are far ahead of the females, which are the red lines.
Oh, that's a diagram.
Yeah, men send more messages seeking female than the females do.
Yeah, man. That's fact from a long time, especially in Jamaica.
What?
Especially in Jamaica. It's a girl that you let me see her, like you, and steer by you.
Just say nothing to you.
Not say nothing there, steer by you until you say something. And if you not say nothing, them say you're idiot.
But them can shoot for them shot too. I mean, I don't have gun.
Bad man, women always wait
I
for you
swear
to shoot
that.
a shot.
But them for shoot them shot too.
Women
They talking about shooting shot. They not even try with the gay guys in America though. They make eye contact with you in America, and then wink at your face, to see if they're gonna make a move. The Jamaican girls don't do that. They act like you don't see them. You see them, man.
Get that idiot, brother. I tell her truth. Well, when I want the feminists jump on me, no, I'm not good.
Anyone who watch it, I go jump on you.
Yeah,
But
they probably jump
it's
on
just
me.
that
That's
fact
what I
that,
think.
fact that it's a same tradition.
Yeah,
the way I
yeah.
see
Yeah,
it.
come on, some idiot. Why? I tell her, brother. I never true the female and me surrounded by.
Like, alright, I'm not gonna name, but I've seen men in my era that base their entire existence around these females and how happy they are based on female validation. It's really bad. So I kind of see it as a way to say, yes, a lot of men can call this that thing in themselves as well. Yeah.
You're not wrong, because
Yeah.
I guess in Jamaica feel like there's only one way they can attract a woman to them, and that's financial wise and gifts and
Yeah,
just
money,
materialistic stuff.
materialistic things. Them stick.
Sweet, them the girl
that
belly,
alone. Them put all them happiness in a materialistic things. You know, so, clothes, phone, shoes.
Yeah.
So alright.
Them something that.
Here's the perspective. Women have 27% least attractive. Men have 6% least attractive. You see the big disparities there. You see that?
It's all we build, still, you know, okay, but you can't really, the base and probably based on the average looking of men, I can say it's way below the average look of woman.
But it's kind of strange that we only have like 6% least attractive. And what? Yes, sir. I was saying so.
Yeah, man. See, females are like the material love, which me call it nowadays. My type of term.
Can you believe this though?
What?
It's not really general on females, but based on the statistics, women view at least 0% as most attractive. 0% of men as most attractive. 0%. They don't have a most attractive for males. They do not. 0%. Well, literally zero. Why men have 6% more?
You know, basically that's to me right now.
Yeah.
Yeah, money and material things.
Yeah.
Make them vagina jump up on.
Yeah, that's the most attractive to them.
I strongly disagree with that. I strongly disagree with that.
Disagree with it.
And that is Shemar speaking.
I disagree to that. To
Yeah,
that extent.
and I'm not debunking what he said because there are actually females out there that are like that, but that is not always the overall case. Just like everybody else, everybody have them own type and what them deem as
Everybody them own type, but
attractive.
some woman do.
But the standards for women are way higher than standards for men.
But not even that, some woman we see a man
That's
them
the
like,
thing,
you hear me? Some woman we see a man them like, and go to him, and see, and then we watch him lifestyle. You understand? And she say, I'm not drive car and thing. They don't like in the morning, all because I'm foolish then a bit.
As soon as they get a big little cash out, man, so when you buy expensive stuff and stuff, they say,
Alright, hold on. Can you guys really blame a female to thinking like that when them parents grow them up in a sense where that's the ideal way to go about seeking a relationship?
yeah, sure.
That a man has to be the breadwinner, the man who have to do all that, and that nothing is wrong with that, but at the same time women also think they're independent while still being dependent on somebody else to do a lot more for them.
To be honest with you, nobody in the world is independent. Nah, that's if you pre this. No matter how much job you are working now, when it comes to certain skill sets, you have to hire another man to do it.
Yeah.
You see me?
Why?
For example, me I work a 9 to 5 enough for 5 years, boom, I buy a house, boom, program renovate the house. Me can't do it because I have another skill set there. I never hire another man. You see?
Yeah,
So,
You're not a, you're not an all round.
Yeah,
basically.
The end game is that you're still somewhat dependent on
everybody in the
some-
world,
in
and
some
that's how
way.
the world functions. We depend on each other. We get certain
I
stuff
learned
done.
this in business class.
So being dependent is not necessarily a bad thing if you preach.
I think I said this before.
Because if everybody was independent, or trading would have go. Or the economy would have fallen.
Yeah.
It's all societies built around.
not everyone can be
Because-
not everyone can be
because
successful based on what it is.
Because if you even look on being
Yeah.
dependent, a boss is dependent on his employee
Him work on
to,
him.
to get his job.
Yeah,
He want
because
carry on the company.
He might
This-
employ the
right,
manager, he
right.
might employ the supervisor,
Yeah.
the and the
Employees,
lower heads, the
them,
lower
yeah.
heads employees.
This is
You
the
understand?
Yes, but as a-
Them depend on one another to get the shit done. You understand?
yeah, and I guess a lot of both male and female kind of overlook the fact that they're dependent on somebody else to get their shit done. They seem to confuse getting themselves in a position to make certain things happen and believe that they have to rely on somebody else to get it done. Them either mix them two and cross them up and say, oh, they're basically the same. No, you put yourself in the position for it can become a benefit for you depending on somebody while you're still making the necessary steps for that to happen.
Yo, to me, honestly, a girl feels like a man for this reason, not women. Or women can do. You understand?
That is true, but
I just that.
that is
Just
true,
that
but
alone,
not
brother.
every female is
Sure.
gonna agree
Sure.
with
Sure.
that, and
Sure.
we
Sure.
both know that.
I'm mostly.
My
Some girls,
I'm willing to point out
someone fully done
some
something.
logical things, but I cannot project my own view on somebody else, so they can do it more.
That is true.
Yeah, them can do them
That
one,
is true.
so they can
That
do them
is
one.
true.
Yes.
But if me see my jump
But-
down a cliff,
If
and me know him and me can help him prevent that, I'm going to make a move. And it's like, and a lot of psychologists have said this too. When it comes to the woman mentality, it's like they put a biological clock. You see me? They want to achieve a certain amount of stuff by a certain amount of time. Every
Yo.
woman nowadays want to have a kid before them 30, and they
Woman-
want to live in a house before them 35.
Yo,
You see me?
women don't know what they want. Like that. They don't know what they want.
And then when they give them all them stuff, you know,
Them don't know what they
especially in
want.
Jamaica,
And when them
it's
get what
still
them want,
tangible.
when them get what them want, them still not gonna know what them want. Cause other things are come, other factors are coming, and she'll get confused by her end goal. She probably might change it.
Mm.
When really and truly the focus is just to live life and
enjoy.
reach the point where you are comfortable, you know, else. And focus for your happiness. Do anything where you want.
Some guys want to
Make
guy.
your own self happy.
Some guys want a guy who just ambitious, very ambitious to the point in which him not going to richer and richer and richer and richer and richer, and him not going to stop progress.
In other words, stink.
Yeah.
In other words, stink.
You know, I'm about both sides, and I also at times blame guys for that situation, because let's just say man put themselves in a position where them end up with a gold digger because of the choices of them, the woman of them
Yo.
drawn and them circles.
Yo, you see the whole. What I just say a while ago about the just liking the person for themselves and what they are about, and just liking them for them. Only man alone nowadays have that view there. You know, see,
Mm-hmm.
I'm mostly man alone have them view there. Just like woman for just you know, because them like her body.
Yeah,
Them not pre-money.
yeah, guys
Yeah,
don't
so
gather
them
it
like
up
them,
and
them
that
like
stuff,
her
you know.
vibe, them like her body, them like whatever
But
woman, them like the car, them like the money, them like the job, them like them social status
And-
in society.
Note that we are not saying all women are like that. We are just talking that a large number of women in society are becoming like that. Probably because the traditions are or their upbringing, we don't know. But there are
Yo.
multiple variables that takes into place when it comes to
I'm
this
gonna say
stuff.
something, you know, includes in that podcast, you know. Some girl for going, you know.
Oh.
That not to do, you know.
Alright, that's
That's that.
Yeah. So,
Some girl for go.
alright. I'm thinking that I'm gonna wrap this podcast up for the day. So, this is the guys.
Yeah, wrap up the podcast with me and say girl for go.
Yeah. Yeah.
Where people let me hate me now.
Anyways, guys,
Uh-huh.
this has been the guys podcast. If you guys want more interesting topic like this, you guys can always like and subscribe for more.
Yeah.
Alright.
And persons today in the podcast include me, myself, D'Angelo, Zidane, Tahim,
Yeah.
Shamar,
and occasionally
Dread.
Kemark. And that's it.
One love.